This is Sunny and Cheyenne's burping contest.
Burping contest. Yes, we're girls, but girls can do it too.
Girls can do it louder than guys.
Yeah. But, yeah, I'm not even going to tell a story.
Yeah, I'm the loudest burper. I'm the champion.
I'll tell you later, Sunny, the story.
Okay,
It's
well,
hilarious.
just go.
Okay. You first.
You first.
You first.
You first. Okay. Hang on. Your turn.
Okay.
Hang on. I gotta get it out. Okay. Whew.
Hold on. That wasn't it.
Wimpy.
That was not it. Let me get it out.
Go.
Oh, hold on. It won't come out.
Just go. Oh God. Go, I'm gonna throw up.
Oh! Hold on. It's coming.
Oh God, go.
Oh God.
Ugh. Go. Your turn. Go.
Oh, it won't come out. Oh. It's not all of it.
Go. Dude. We should let it go. So I don't throw up. Ugh. You sound like Shrek, the third. And Donkey.
Donkey.
I'm Shrek. She's
No,
the donkey.
I'm Shrek. I got green on.
So I get to be the jackass. Are you gonna go?
Yeah, hold on.
You haven't even started.
It's coming. Hold on. Oh my God, it's like right in my throat.
Go.
I'm trying.
Oh God, I'm gonna throw up.
Me too. It's not come out. Hold on. Hold on.
Ew. Ew. Go. I'm going.
Okay.
Hang on. It's still stuck. Oh God.
not funny.
Go! I told you I was the queen. Shane's the amateur.
It's stuck.
Go! Stick, like, just up like your butt when it farts. It'll come out the other end later. Shut up and go. It wasn't even funny. Like this. Oh God, ew.
It's coming up slowly but surely.
Keep going. Ew.
Yeah, puke.
Oof. You don't scare me at all. We're gonna throw up more. Alright, it's almost time to go. So we gotta have a finale burp soon. We're gonna have 2 more burps and then a
God,
finale.
these burpings are giving me a headache. Whew. But
Me too.
I think it's from laughing too.
Okay.
My butt. Jesus.
You get 1 more and then we're gonna go to the finale. And then they gotta vote who should be in there. Why are you doing that? It's not the finale yet.
I know.
Wait, is this finale now?
No, it's finale. You first.
We get 2 retries if we want to retry it.
Yeah. Do you want to retry it?
Yeah. I can get